Hello everyone, today we will make this beautiful necklace design. For making this I am using 8 number pearl cotton thread, plier, fabric glue, scissor, and I am using 0.9 mm crochet hook and jewelry chain that is open from the center, 2 jump ring, needle and white beads. So let's start with magic ring. Chain 1, 2, 3. Now pass through this loop and 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 time cluster and pass through all loops together. Now one chain and 1, 2, 3. So total 4 chain and connect in ring by slip stitch like this. Again 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, one time, 2 time, 3 time and 4 time. Now pass through all loops, one chain, now 1, 2 and 3, 3 chain and connect in ring by slip stitch. So I will complete my round by making total 6 petals of our flower. This is my last petal. So chain 1, 2, 3, one time, 2 time, 3 time and 4 time. Now pass through all loops together and chain 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now connect in ring by slip stitch. Now I will cut the thread. Now I will pull the magic rings thread and make it tight. Here is our flower. Now I will fix extra thread with the help of glue. And cut extra thread. This is our flower. Now I already made these flowers, so I will connect all flowers together. So now I will connect my flowers with the help of needle. like this. Now I will make a knot. See, I have connected these flowers. Now I will cut the extra thread. Now with the help of glue I will fix this. So I have joined these two flowers. Now I will join all the flowers like this. I have connected all my flowers. Now I will add pearls in center of our flower. Now let it dry. Now I will add jump ring both side of flowers. Now I will attach chain. Same with another side. Here is our beautiful necklace. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.